Welcome back to Omni Calculator. I'm Alvaro and today we're going to talk about the free fall calculator without and with air resistance. So once again, I'm in this situation where I have two calculators to talk about and only 90 seconds. They don't want to give me any more. So let's not waste any more time and start the timer now. So have you ever tried to calculate the time it takes for an object to fall from a given height? Maybe you were trying to pass your physics exam, or maybe it was a more realistic situation, or maybe you're just the kind of person that loves picking apart superhero and action movies with science just because it's fun. Regardless, if you do this, you will find that it's a bit more complicated than you would hope for, and this is because we're talking about an accelerated movement, meaning that as time goes on, as the object keeps falling, the speed of the object increases as well. This is because gravity pulls us with constant strength, constant acceleration. So for every second that the object falls, the speed increases by 9.8 meters per second. That's the acceleration of gravity, 9.8 meters per second squared. And this is without taking into account air resistance, because if we start taking that into account, then air is resisting the fall of the object, pushing us up in a way, and it's counteracting the force of gravity with a strength proportional to the speed squared until it reaches a point of equilibrium. This is very complicated to calculate. These are the equations for calculating without air resistance, but if we go to our calculator, we just simply fill in the blanks, get the results. And if you want to add air resistance, this is the calculator. Fairly easy, just fill in the blanks again. And this is the scary equation. Yes, yes, I managed to get it just in time. I hope it's clear from this that it's no mystery how objects fall down with and without resistance, even when we include more effects to make it more realistic. But it's quite convoluted to calculate, and that's why we make our calculators, to simplify the life of everyone that wants these numbers. As always, if you want to use any of these calculators, there's a link in the video description. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button. And if you really appreciate the tools we have, leave us a review on our website telling us what you think. In any case, this is the video I want you to go watch now, and this is the one YouTube's algorithm wants you to watch. I will see you in either of them, and until then, bye!